welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to prepare onion juice, onion oil and avocado hair mask. I'm so excited. It's so interesting how God created the world so perfectly that our vegetables are not just edibles, but they can serve as medicines also. Some of us will say, but I usually cook with onions. Why isn't my hair long? While it is important to eat our vegetables, it is also necessary to use them externally, especially for specific purposes, such as hair growth. You know, when we eat vegetables, it is being broken down and the nutrients are being transferred into our bloodstream, and the blood transports it to our different vital organs in the body. But now, what if you don't eat enough vegetables? What if your hair follicles don't get enough nutrients from your blood? What if we use too much heat to cook our vegetables, which unavoidably reduces its potency? All I'm trying to say is our diet is as important as our DIYs. While the nutrients in the food we eat are used to cater for the general well-being of our body, DIYs are used to achieve targeted results. Onion is packed with certain properties that boost hair growth, regenerates hair follicles, eliminates dandruff, stops itching, thickens your hair strands, and prevents premature graying. If you're battling with receding hairlines, onion juice or oil is your sure plug. Avocado is enriched with the vitamins and minerals that softens your hair and keeps it moisturized. It also repairs damaged hair, smoothens your hair shaft, and makes it shiny. These treatments we're preparing now serve as DIY deep conditioners. It's not every time you rush to the store to get hair products. Homemade hair recipes like these are advisable because they are cheaper, potent, and 100% natural. For the record, please fry the onions on a very low heat until it's golden brown. Then you sieve it just like in the video. I used olive oil to fry the onions. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use coconut oil, you can use almond oil, you can use whatever oil that is available. I put the avocado paste in a sieve cloth and I'm squeezing it out into the onion oil, as you can see in the video. These are the steps to use this hair treatment correctly. If you want the paste to be thicker, use enough avocado depending on the volume of your hair and use lesser amount of oil. If you have further questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Bye.